What is up, you guys? Welcome back to your average gents. My name is Evan. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about the most versatile pair of dress shoes that you can ever own. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. What I got here is a pair of Paul Evans wingtip Oxford in chocolate color. And it came with a shoe bag and a shoe horn, which is very nice of them. So why do I think that a pair of chocolate wingtip Oxford like this is the most versatile pair of dress shoes that you can ever own? I only have two reasons. So first, the color of this wingtip Oxford matches with almost anything, trousers in any color. And it works really well with navy blue, any shades of grey and olive green. And you could even wear this with black, because this shade of brown is so dark that its color is not even noticeable when you're wearing it with black. And the reason why you should wear black shoes together with a black suit or black trousers is because when you're wearing a black suit, you want to look streamlined and monochromatic. So if your shoe color has a high contrast against black, such as tan, it just looks off and breaks the streamlined look. But for this pair, it is dark enough that you could potentially put it off with the black suit. So my first reason why this is so versatile is that it pretty much matches with any colored suits or pants. And on to the second reason is that you can both dress this up and you can dress it down. The fact that this is a pair of Oxford, which means that it has a closed lacing, and in addition to the dark brown color, makes it really dressy. And you can pretty much wear this with any kinds of suits and trousers, except tuxedo of course. But at the same time, the wingtip and the perforated design makes this shoe casual. So you can also wear this with jeans and chinos. And that is why a chocolate or dark brown pair of wingtip Oxford is a perfect medium between dressed up and smart casual. So if you're getting your first pair of dress shoes, I strongly recommend this pair. But if you're still not into it, it's alright. A pair of black capital Oxford is your next best option. And it is also the safest option because you can wear it with any suit, just that you can't really dress it down. Okay, I've said enough why I think that this is the most versatile pair of dress shoes. Now let's talk about how I got this particular pair of wingtip Oxford from Paul & Evans. I got this pair of Paul Evans when I attended the Menfluential conference last weekend at Atlanta, Georgia. So basically the conference is about men's lifestyle and also business related topics, which I intend to do a vlog about it, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, they are giving out free Paul Evans shoes, so I was lucky enough to get a pair before they run out. This pair retails for 399 USD, basically 400 USD, which is about 530 Singapore dollars. It's really expensive, I know. And I have tried this on for quite a few times, so I have some good and bad points about this pair of shoes. So the first good point, as I've mentioned, the color and design of this pair of shoes makes it the most versatile pair of dress shoes in my opinion. And the second good point is the construct of this pair of shoes. It is handmade in Italy with full grain leather upper, blade stitched so that it can be resoled after the sole have worn out. And the third good point is that it is really comfortable. This pair is actually half a size bigger than what I'll normally wear, which I'll explain why later. And I got this on the first day of the conference, and I wore it for the entire day 2 of the conference, from 8 AM all the way to the following day 2 AM, because we went out for drinks after the conference. Anyways, that is 16 hours of wearing these shoes, and my feet didn't hurt at all, no blisters or anything. That is amazing. Now on to the not so good points. It looks really nice, but it is really narrow, so if you have a wide feet like me, you want to order a half a size bigger. But if you have a narrow fit, it's gonna be awesome. And of course, my recommendation for buying any pair of shoes is to try it on physically in the store so that you can make sure that the shoes fits you perfectly. Another thing I don't really like about Paul Evans is the price point. 400 USD, that is not something that an average person can easily afford. Which includes me, your average gent. See what I did there? Anyway, I get it, it is handmade in Italy with premium leather and everything. But I mean, Paul Evans is an online retailer, which means that there is no middleman, and I don't get why the price is still so high. It is almost as expensive as Edmonds, and Edmonds is already a very well-established brand. But I got it for free, so I'm not complaining. Everything being said, putting the price aside, this is a really well-made pair of shoes, and it is amazingly comfortable. So if you don't mind the price, then definitely give it a shot. But if you're not willing to pay such a high price, I got you covered. I recommend you to check out this brand called LLYR or LLYR. It is a Singaporean brand and all their shoes are Goodyear welted and they look pretty sick as well. And their dark brown wingtip Oxford that looks like this retails for 165 Singapore dollars, which is only 125 USD, which is like a third of the price of Paul Evans. I personally own a pair of LLYR dress shoes. It is definitely not as comfortable as Paul Evans, but for the price point, it is definitely worth it. I'm gonna put the links to all the dark brown wingtip Oxfords that I've shown in this video in the description below. Paul Evans, Edmonds and LLYR. I'm not even sponsored by any one of them, so you guys can decide for yourself which one you prefer. They should sponsor your boy, right? And I'm sure that there are tons of other shoe companies that make similar designs, so by all means, check out everything. And that's it for this week's video. If you guys agree with me, please give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. And if you have a better choice for the most versatile dress shoes, please leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you guys next week.